One thing I learned about relationships, hindi lang ako yung nangangailangan sa kanya. Although we expect our partners to tell us everything, there are still some things they never share with us. Yan yung napansin ko sa boyfriend ko. He is a great man. Breadwinner, sobrang family-oriented, at di niya ako nakakalimutang ilagay sa list of priorities niya. Pero dahil syempre tao lang siya, may mga pagkakataon na nakakalimutan niya yung mga detalye na importante sa akin. Like anniversary, date night, birthday ng family member ko na dapat andun siya. Even though sometimes nakakatampo, I don't take it against him. Few details that he often forget can never compete with the times na dama ko yung presensya niya sa buhay ko. As partners, we need to understand yung body language ng mga partner natin. Minsan may mga pinagdadaanan sila na sinasarili na lang nila because they don't want to look weak in front of us. They don't want to trouble us and they just want to be happy with us. Tayo ang pahinga nila, ika nga nila. So kung kaya mo nang palagpasin yung maliliit na detalye na hindi naman ikakasira ng relasyon nyo o ikakapangit ng pagsasama ninyo, gawin mo na lang yung umintindi. Tandaan, hindi lang ikaw ang may kailangan sa kanya. Kailangan ka din niya. So go easy on them. It may not seem like it, but having us gives them the strength to fall apart. My love, gusto ko yung last line ni Claire. Nung sinabi niyang having us gives them the strength to fall apart. Kasi totoo to eh. When you feel comfortable with the person sa level na alam nyong mahal na mahal nyo sila at mahal na mahal din nila kayo. So, wala na kayong tinatago sa kanila. Sobrang komportable mo sa kanila. For some reason, whenever things are not really great, whenever things are overwhelming for you, bilang gusto nating maging strong, gusto nating magpakatatag, hindi tayo nagsasalita, my love. Hindi tayo nagpapakita ng kahinaan. But in the presence of someone we trust, we love, and we know na mahal din tayo, we fall apart. Because this time around, confident tayo na may sasalo sa atin, na may yayakap sa atin, na may aakay sa atin. This one constantly happens to me. Kasi everybody expects me to be strong. To be, alam mo yun, well-rounded lagi. To be well-composed lagi. Everybody is expecting me na parang, kung may problema, wata! Alam mo yun? Yung parang, niya! Kaya kong karatihin yung problema, tapos na siya. Sometimes, there are days na I just can't. I can't do that. I turn a persona on whenever I am on air. This persona is the persona of a person na kahit ano pa yan, life, let's go, let's do this. I tap into that persona sa real life ko every single day. I try to be like that person. Pero there are days that, alam mo yun, darkness will dawn upon you. Parang hahabulin ka nung dami ng iniisip mo and then ma-overwhelm ka na, maluloka ka na lang din, te. So, there are days that I do fall apart. But here's the catch. I only fall apart to the people I trust. If you haven't seen me cried yet, yung cried my heart out talaga, hindi yung cried dahil may napanood, may nabasa, kasi that's a different story. Mababa kasi talaga yung luha ni DJ Lala. So kapag may napanood ako or may nabasa ako nakakaiyak, talagang iiyak talaga ako. Pero because of my own problems, own challenges or own troubles, you will seldom see me cry in real life as me talaga, as Marian, my true nature. You'll seldom see me cry. And when you do, it's because I trust you. So if you haven't seen me cry yet, if hindi mo pa ako nakikitang umiyak in person, yung talagang totoong ako, it's because I can still hold it in. And I'm not yet in my safe place to fall apart. This is exactly the description, definition, or patotoo nung sinabi ni Claire. Na it may not seem like it, pero having us in their lives gives them the strength, yung bravery to fall apart. That is when you know you have to go easy even on your partner. Yes, may mga times na, alam niyo yun, talagang sinasaid nila yung pasensya ninyo. There are times na, Diyos ko Lord, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo para ipaintindi sa kanila yung problema, yung nangyayari, yung mga kakulangan nila. But my love, you also have to realize that there are some things na gusto din nilang ma-achieve mo, gusto nilang magawa mo, gusto nilang mangyayari sa relationship ninyo, and they just don't expect that from you. Because they know they have to go easy on you. So ibigay or ibalik mo yung favor na yon sa kanila, especially when your partner is someone like yung partner ni Claire. Na alam niyong maraming pinagdadaanan, maraming kumbaga, maraming umaasa sa kanya, marami siyang akay, marami siyang dala-dala. You already know that. The moment you entered that relationship, you knew what you are getting yourself into. It's not easy loving someone who is a breadwinner. Kasi iba talaga yung priority nila eh. And the truth of the matter is, frankly speaking, they do not have any choice. It may seem like they do, but they don't. They are gonna go against their principle kapag pinili nila yung other way to go about their own lives. Kapag hindi nila pinili yung magbigay sa mga magulang nila, yung tulungan yung mga kapatid nila, yung hatiin yung sarili nilang sweldo para gawing allowance ng pamilya nila, they are gonna go against their principle in order to achieve what you want. So it takes a brave person as well as a strong one as well to love someone who is admittedly a breadwinner. Kasi they need a lot of patience and understanding from you. They are not gonna ask so much of you, just that you need to understand na meron silang pangangailangan na kailangan nilang pagtuunan ng pansin, ng focus, ng atensyon. It's not something that they wanna do most of the time, but it's something that they have to do all the time. So you have to be understanding sa part na yun. And you have to be patient with them that they cannot be the person you want them to be. Kasi wala silang liberty to be so. Hindi nila kaya na mag-splurge sa dates, sa gifts, sa surprises. Hindi nila kaya na maging constantly on your beck and call. Diba? Kapag kinailangan mo sila, andyan sila agad. They cannot afford that. Because someone else needs them, and that someone else happens to be their family. So my love, go easy on them. They may not be perfect. They may have their share of flaws or shortcomings as a partner. But one thing I assure you, they are loyal to a fault. And when they say they love you, the words loving you will be an understatement sa kaya nilang gawin at i-give up for you. So again, go easy on your partners, my love. They may not be perfect, but they are doing their best for you. Claro? Claro.